So, here we are. The four of us?
Yeah? Isn't that okay? You put your hair like that again. Look, it gets so slimy.
My dad puts his hair like this.
Vicky's dad is a policeman.
Cop.
You know what? My dad, he has a gun. You want to see it?
Does he hide it?
No. It's on the rack.
Okay, then.
Here it is. On the wall.
Wow, it's neat.
And dangerous. I could easily kill you with this.
Yeah, I bet you could.
And your friend, too. It's a bolt action. I killed rabbits, birds...
I thought there was going to be more people here.
Small boys. I should show you.
That's okay. I believe you.
No, really. Watch me do it. Okay? Pow!
That's great. Could I try?
What do you want to do? See the gun?
No, just a gun.
Besides, you probably shoot somebody. You don't know how to handle it, right?
No, I wouldn't do this. All right, then. What do you want to do?
How'd you do this year?
You're the guest.
Good grades?
Yeah.
We have to stay in the basement.
Well, it's possible to do in the basement, even without the gun.
What about you? I passed.
Just us? I don't think that would be right. What with your cousin over and your
I
friend?
like those braids.
Well, it was just an idea.
I'm sure I'll have another time. You can come. I won't be playing again. You still have to come up with a better idea, smart guy.
Well, I had an idea.
A good one. In the bottle again?
They look so cute. Thanks.
What's her name again?
You're a business.
You're so stiff. Loosen up.
Ouch! Go!
That tickles.
Oh.
Nicholas, is that what you're wearing?
I don't know. Yes?
He's come a long way.
What if I don't like him?
Then we'll have a talk. Wash your hands.
Stay here. Got the new Mr. Big Fist. It's a good one.
Nicholas, This is Roy.
Hello, Nicholas. I've heard a lot about you.
How's work been?
Fine.
I don't know if I mentioned that Roy works on trains.
Something romantic about riding a train across the country. Even cathartic. Do you know what cathartic means?
Yes.
Oh. Good. Speaking of trains, I brought you a present. It's a pin. You could put it on your shirt or your jacket.
That's really nice of you. It's so cute. Let me help you. There. I have to check on the food in the kitchen.
This is a nice house. I grew up in a really big house out around Arborg. It was so well built, like a wooden vault. I should buy it from you. Great picture.
Yeah.
You're good. Why don't you tell me something about you?
Like what?
You have a girlfriend? You're probably too young for that.
No, I'm not. Not everyone has a girlfriend.
Not everyone's attracted to their friend. What would your mother say? What would your father say?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You can't hide this from your mother and me.
Dad?
Nicholas.
The bird is ready.
Great news. Because I'm starving.
Nicholas, would you help me dish?
Maybe after dinner you could give me a tour of the house.
Maybe. It's not much to see.
I know, I'll disagree. Did I ever tell you how much this place reminds me of where I grew up?
No.
Big place around Arburg. It's a lot like this place. Nicholas, I was thinking maybe one day you'd like to come and see the trains where I work.
I know what trains look like.
Not up close, you don't.
Nicholas. He was just offering.
That's all it was. You don't have to. I thought you might like it. Well, that was great. I'm gonna have to reciprocate someday.
There's dessert, too. It's Nicholas's favorite.
I can help, I'm sure.
No, it's only a bowl.
You don't like dinner? Did we get off to a bad start? I'm not really sure. I'm usually pretty good with young adults. Red, ooh, my favorite too.
Well, thanks for coming.
It's no problem at all.
It was fun.
Really?
Of course.
I haven't even had breakfast yet. You want to play this early?
I didn't come to play baseball. Is it